We're on the south tip of the island. Here's the view to the west. Okay, now we're looking south. Okay, here's the view to the east. And here's the view to the north. We're making shepherd's pie. This is Kevin Outdoors recipe. And we have ground beef. We'll put our dehydrated food into the pot and just cover it with water and bring it to a boil. I'm cooking my dehydrated shepherd's pie with ground beef in it. I like this because it has a lot of vegetables in it. I got this recipe from Kevin Outdoors. Kevin Outdoors has some really good dehydrated food recipes on his channel. Check him out if you get a chance. He's got a pretty good channel. Shepherd's pie is ready.
Hey, what are you doing?
What'd you find? Oh. Go get your plate.
Okay. I'll get my plate. I need a spoon.
Go get your spork. How's bacon and hash browns?
Delicious.
How's bacon and hash browns?
Any word that describes bacon and hash browns better than delicious.
I love you, honey. I love you, Amber.
Time to lay on a rock and get warm. The only thing warm out here is these rocks. Did you have fun swimming with me?
Yeah.
I'll move some of the wood.
Showing the kitchen.
The kitchen.
All right, we're making curry tonight. I've got the rice with the curry sauce, vegetable seasoning, and herbs that I dehydrated, and I've got dehydrated chicken. Oh man, that curry seasoning smells good.
That kitties are gonna want that, probably.
Ams doesn't like curry, so we'll also make blueberry cheesecake muffin. Okay, so we'll also make blueberry cheesecake muffins. We'll make her a little skillet pie in the reflector oven.
Reflector oven.
Yeah.
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 I'm glad we're not doing this in the wind. You know why?
Why?
Because it's so windy that this powder would be flying everywhere.
Everywhere!
Everywhere.
Everywhere! Can I dump it?
Alright, carefully dump.
I want to taste it.
Okay, put one hand under it. There you go. Dun, da, 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 da. Her vision quest for the day was to get this blueberry muffin. This is a yellow curry. It's got kind of a coconut-based sauce. It's got green beans, onions, some other herbs and spices. And it's got chicken. Yep.
Yep.
That's what we do, Amby-Pamby.
We turned it off.
Your applesauce looks like it needs to sit for about 10 more minutes. How's your applesauce coming along?
Good.
Do you still have hard chunks?
Yeah.
Okay, that means it needs to sit a little bit longer.
That's it right there.
You're doing a good job.
Right there. Thank you.
Let's go find out how the muffins are doing. Looks good.
I think we'll start with giving her half.
Here we go, chicken curry and applesauce. Ams, how's your blueberry muffin?
Muffin's good.
Dad, how's your chicken curry?
That's really good.
I'm glad you like it. What you doing?
Putting a log on the fire.
Are you keeping the fire today?
Yeah.
You almost out of logs? Looks like you got 5 or 6 more.
Yeah, probably.
Looks like you're doing a good job. Ready to brush teeth and say goodnight to day 7?
Yes, because I want it to be day 8.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Where are we going tomorrow?
Oh, it's still like,
Yep.
there's a spot.
And how's the weather supposed to be today? Tomorrow?
Rainy, rainy, rainy poop.
Well, rainy, and we're hoping to go to Oyster and get a campsite and not get stuck in a thunderstorm.
Yeah. If we do, we'll probably have to stop on a portage. Which would be just great.
All right.
What are you doing?
We're watching our day 7 sunset and getting ready for the day to be over. We're going to get up early tomorrow and
How early?
paddle to Oyster Lake. 5 something. As soon as it gets light enough to come out without a headlamp on, I'm going to get you and Dad out of the tent. And we're going to go. We're supposed to get rain and thunder showers tomorrow, and we want to get a new campsite before the thunder shower part.
I would be okay with getting up at the time, but normally from like 3 to the time, like 6 is when I'm sleeping the most,
Well,
the hardest.
What was the best thing that happened on day 7?
Blueberry muffins.
Blueberry muffins?
Blueberry
Would you rather stay in camp and swim or paddle to a new campsite?
swim.
Even in the rain, even in the thunderstorm that's coming? No. Okay.
I would rather be sleeping.
Well, it's supposed to be clear tonight till after midnight, so we're not supposed to get any rain till after midnight. All right. say good night to day 7.
Good night to day 7.
Good night, day 7.
Good night, day 7. Good night, day 7. Meow, 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 meow.